Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Finally friends, in this video I'm going to do the unboxing review of the OnePlus 11 device. Yes, just today only I did receive my OnePlus 11 device, and in this video let's take a look at the unboxing and I'll try to talk about all the specifications, what you should know about this OnePlus 11 smartphone. So that's what I'm going to discuss in this video. And right now I do have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor from the ROG Phone 6, so I'm gonna definitely compare with the ROG Phone 6 regarding the performance. How is this Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor gonna perform against the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1? Even I do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max as well, so I'll definitely compare with the Apple's A16 Bionic chipset also. So please make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and also follow the playlist videos for each and every smartphone which I am reviewing in my channel. I did purchase the iQOO Neo 7 as well, so make sure to check out the playlist for the iQOO Neo 7 smartphone. All links will be available in the description below. So let's get started with the unboxing review of this OnePlus 11 device. So let's do the quick unboxing and we'll try to find out exactly what are the contents we can actually expect in this OnePlus 11 smartphone. So the OnePlus 11 comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and the variant which I have ordered is the 12GB RAM version. So this is a 12GB RAM model which we are going to see in this video. And OnePlus 11 which has got the 5000 mAh of battery capacity also, with 100 watts of charging speed. So that's something you should know regarding the charging speed also. 5000 mAh of battery and 100 watts charging. And it is a quick look at the OnePlus 11 device. Let me take out everything from inside the box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel friends. Definitely I'll try to do my best to upload the videos as soon as possible on the OnePlus 11 smartphone. So here's a quick unboxing guys regarding the OnePlus 11, and the OnePlus 11 comes with the 205 grams, the weight of the phone, and the display is of AMOLED panel, LTPO3 type AMOLED panel, so which will be having 120Hz refresh rate, and along with that 1300 nits of peak brightness and 6.7 inches screen size. And you can see the resolution 1440 into 3216 resolution. You can see clearly regarding the specifications, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and you can see the RAM and the camera specifications as well regarding the camera megapixel count. And let's see friends, what are the other contents which will be available in the OnePlus 11 device inside the device. So let's keep the phone side and let's check out the box. And here is a charging adapter, so which will be of 100 watts charger. So this is a 100 watts SuperVOOC charger, as you can see clearly. As you can see friends, SuperVOOC charger, and which can charge from 1 to 50% in 10 minutes, 1 to 100% in 25 minutes of time. So that's how quick it can charge. And there is a cable as well. So this is a USB to Type-C cable, as you can see. And let's put the thing side and let's check about the case. So this is a OnePlus accessories which we will be getting. So regarding the case, and maybe there will be a couple of OnePlus stickers, I think so. They should be there. Let me take out. Yes. And yeah. And we got the SIM card pin along with this. Along with that, yeah, there's some kind of OnePlus stickers, as you can see. These are the few stickers, and here is the case which we got. So this is a transparent case which is present right now. So which is also pretty good, not bad. But overall friends, this is a quick unboxing review of this OnePlus 11 device, and definitely I'll try to upload plenty of videos regarding the performance and camera, display, other aspects of this OnePlus 11. So until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any questions on this OnePlus 11, let me know in the comments, as I said. So make sure to follow the playlist for more information on this OnePlus 11 device. And even on the box it says the Oppo, as you can see, even though it is OnePlus, but still it says Oppo, because we do know both got completely mixed up, OnePlus and the Oppo. That's the reason you are trying to see even the SuperVOOC name on the charger itself. Before it used to be Wrap Charge, now it became SuperVOOC charger because of the integration of the Oppo and the OnePlus. So I'll try to boot up and I'll try to see if there is any charge left in the phone or not at this moment. And right now the phone is booting up, and I did get pretty strong haptic feedback. That's really very strong. And there will be alert slider, and one speaker in the bottom, one speaker on the top, and USB port and a SIM card SIM toolkit here. but overall it feels pretty good, not bad. I think still there is some charge left in the device. So you can see the overall Realme type of Oppo ColorOS type of notification control center and everything. Even the settings application looks like ColorOS, everything, as you can see. So this is a quick demonstration, friends, on the OnePlus 11 device. Meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, signing off. Thank you for watching and bye.